Now, there's going to be a lot of people out there that tell you AMC did not have a good week last week. And those are the people that like to look at the negative things, like AMC going down Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But if you look at Monday, we had an incredible day going from $20 to $30 per share. And even where we ended on Friday, it was still a 15% weekly gain, going from $20 per share and closing above $23 per share. You know, it's all about perspective. And when it comes to the short squeeze, a lot of people, man, especially on Twitter and Reddit and social media, they love to point out the negatives and the hardships and the fact that this battle can't be won facing the current enemy. It's not true. It's not true. Yes, we do have our work cut out for us. Yeah, sure, it's not going to be easy. But we can win, and we will squeeze if we don't give up. So guys, I want to talk about some of the technical indicators and some of the technical levels of support and resistance that we've got going into this week. Give a little bit of encouragement because, hey man, we are here and we are here to stay. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And if you want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well. But guys, you know, it was tough last week watching Tuesday through Friday play out, watching the red days roll in, and people forgetting how amazing the previous 2 weeks were. I mean, if you look at AMC with like 9 green daily candles in a row, I understand that some of them were red candles based on the previous day's close, but closing higher than they opened. AMC rolling back. You know, the stock going to $34 per share last week shows you what it's capable of. And I know you guys read on Twitter and everywhere else, you see that AMC is facing just this unparalleled amount of corruption and manipulation, and that the rise to $34 per share was hindered because it was, you know, we had that halt and all of these different things. People don't realize, or a lot of people at least, don't realize that AMC halted on the way back down. So there is a possibility that the halt on the way back down saved AMC from going even further faster. Now, I know that it continued back down to the downside after halting around $29 per share. And yes, it did close the week at $23 per share. Very difficult, but we saw the SPY coming back down. We saw the NASDAQ coming back down. And it wasn't just AMC exclusive. Yeah, it did move, I guess, in a more exponential rate than the SPY and the NASDAQ did. But that's understandable. You know, when you're looking at small and mid-cap stocks and comparing them to the major indexes that are out there, it's almost guaranteed that they move at an exponential rate because the markets move very slowly. And of course, you know, these small and mid-cap stocks, they get traded much more often and have much more wild price swings, especially a stock like AMC that is as speculative and like it's got that much attention, that much more attention on it by day traders and swing traders and so on than any other stock in the market right now. Adam Aron, he makes it obvious, you know, when he tells you that AMC is the heaviest traded stock on the New York Stock Exchange, and then Hycroft Mining is the heaviest traded stock on the NASDAQ. People are trading these stocks, not just buying, like a lot of other YouTubers and Twitterers and everything else, Redditors are going to tell you. People are trading these stocks. Maybe not people on YouTube, maybe not people on Twitter, maybe not even people on Reddit, but people are trading, buying and selling AMC and Hycroft and so on. But I do want to talk about some of these technical levels of support and resistance moving forward this week so we know what to expect, because I do see a decent chance that we bounce this week, and I do see a decent chance that we go up tomorrow. I want to talk about why here, but I want to preface this by saying I already see squeeze predictions on Twitter for AMC is going to squeeze this week. AMC is going to end in the hundreds this week. AMC, this is the week. These people have to be brand new. Like, they have to be brand new to Twitter and brand new to the AMC movement here because, what? Have they not learned anything over the last year and a half? Like, where are these predictions? I don't understand how these predictions make it out there. But regardless, if you look at the NASDAQ, if you pull up the SPY, you can see that they are right at a level of support. They did try to break down through it on Friday during the trading day, but they ended right around that level of support. AMC did the same thing, right around 23.50, and it closed right there at that level of support. This would be an indicator that if, yes, the NASDAQ, the SPY, both bounced off these levels of resistance, we would expect AMC to bounce off this level of resistance as well. I don't want to say that it's guaranteed because no level of technical analysis is ever guaranteed, but it can be considered probable, okay? If you're looking for support and resistance bounces, the best that they can offer you is that this is likely to happen. It's likely to find support in this area. And when you have AMC finding support at the exact same time as the overall market is, I guess, indicated by the NASDAQ and the SPY out there, you can see that there is a chance, there's a likelihood that we bounce off this level of support. If it is broken, I believe the next level we're looking at on AMC is $20 per share. And this is going to be a much stronger level of support than the $23 per share that we're trading at right now. So I do have high expectations for this week. I do expect some level of a bounce. I mean, especially after 4 red days in a row, we would expect some sort of a relief buy to come in. The technical traders seeing that AMC, the NASDAQ, the SPY, they're all trading at these levels of support. It may indicate that we may see some buying pressure as well. And I know a lot of people out there are going to point to the RSI and tell you that your relative strength indicator is cooled off now and it's ready for another run to the upside. So if you just basically look at the technical analysis, it is setting up for somewhat of a relief week. And I hope that that's what we see and we don't see continuation to the downside. But I want to know what you guys think out there. You know, you guys see this stuff on Twitter all the time. You see people trying to tell you that this is the squeeze week. It's always going to happen tomorrow. It's going to happen next week. It's going to go to $100 per share. What do you guys actually think? Okay? Do you think that these hedge funds are, I guess, is trapped or as bad off as everybody on Twitter seems to think they are when it comes to AMC and GameStop and all of these meme stocks? Because personally, I think that yes, they are trapped, but they are nowhere near giving up. They are nowhere near being margin called, and they are nowhere near the end of what they can do. And I say that, but you know, it's not to deter you from thinking the squeeze can happen at any time. They need what you have. There's no denying that the hedge funds can win this thing, or they can't win this thing if you own the shares. If we buy AMC and GameStop and all of these other short squeeze plays and we don't sell them the shares back, it is a guaranteed win. It's just not, the time frame is not guaranteed. So yes, I do think that they're trapped, but I don't think their back's up against the wall yet. And I don't necessarily think that they're ready to get margin called like a lot of people are expecting. So guys, my plan, stay the course, continue holding my shares, and wait until these short shares need to be covered. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will buy and share on crypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.